Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Goracle token. Ticker symbol is Gora, G-O-R-A. This token just got listed on a big central exchange today, July 7th. We're going to go over the information on the Goracle network token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So it says Goracle is a decentralized blockchain oracle originally built on the Algorand blockchain. We empower developers and enterprises to create cutting-edge and reliable decentralized applications by bridging the divide between traditional systems and blockchain networks. Now, this token, it does have an Algo Explorer on here. It says total supply of the Gora token is 100 million tokens. As always, I put their Twitter up in the corner of the page here, at Goracle Network on Twitter, so you guys can easily find this token, find their Twitter. They have 65,400 Twitter followers, so they're doing very well. On Twitter, you can see that their webpage is listed there, Goracle.io. It says this company or project is from Switzerland. And they also have a full link tree there that'll take you anywhere you need to go, basically. So Goracle is a decentralized oracle network powered by the Gora token. Now, their pinned tweet here basically is talking about how they are live now on Mexc Global. So that's where they just got listed today. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section, search Gora, G-O-R-A, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So Goracle aims to accelerate the development of dApps that are useful in the day-to-day lives of millions of users. Goracle will accomplish this by providing the infrastructure necessary for developers and organizations to build applications that make use of the real-world off-chain data. Furthermore, Goracle will enable developers to build applications that utilize off-chain computation. In 2022, the number of daily users for decentralized applications surpassed 2.4 million daily users, with several billion dollars in volume. Global uncertainty has led to an increased adoption of cryptocurrencies, especially in emerging markets. This increased adoption of crypto has familiarized people with wallets and the mechanics of transacting on-chain. As the general population becomes more comfortable using decentralized applications, demand for oracles to provide real-world data will see a similar rise. So along with record numbers of new users, the blockchain space has also seen record numbers of hacks and exploits, many of these being through bridges, oracle hacks, and manipulations. This highlights the need for security as a top priority for any oracle solution such as Goracle. The primary goal is for this information is to highlight the organization and backers of Oracle and to highlight compliance of the protocol. In addition, it will aim to provide a high level of overview of the functioning mechanisms of Oracle. So it says Goracle Network is currently being developed. There will be several major updates and announcements in the next coming weeks to be part of the ecosystem nodes participating and incentivized test nets. You can it says please contact the team if you have any interest in that. So that's cool. So Goracle's vision is to deliver an Oracle solution that brings mainstream adoption to Web3 and empower an ecosystem of decentralized applications to solve real-world user problems. Our mission is to advance the state-of-the-art in Oracle and blockchain reliability, safety, and performance by providing a flexible and modular Oracle architecture. This architecture should support frequent upgrades, fast adoption of the latest technology advancements, and first-class support for new and emerging use cases. We envision a decentralized, secure, and scalable network governed and operated by the community that uses it. When infrastructure demands growth, the computational resources of the Oracle network scale up horizontally and vertically to meet those needs. As new use cases and technology advances arise, the network should frequently and seamlessly upgrade without interrupting users. Infrastructure concerns should fade in the background, and security should be guaranteed without trading off privacy and decentralization. To achieve this, Goracle will hire a partner and highly skilled computer scientists, cryptographers, mathematicians, and statisticians, data scientists, and more. Build a modular application that allows development and upgrades of specific modules. Work with 2 to 3 audit firms to review Goracle's code and perform millions of simulations that model the trajectory of the token based on starting parameters. So there is a roadmap on here. So they started with the price pairs mainnet launch. After that, incentivized node runner testnet. Then the public sale, which is just happening now. And then protocol full launch on Algorand July 5th. So that was just 2 days ago. Cosmos expansion will happen this year in September. And then in November, we're going to have the EVM expansion as well. So if you want to read more about Goracle, go over to their document section, docs.goracle.io. They have information about the team, jurisdiction, investors. They have implementation details like tokenomics with a vesting schedule, protocol design, talking about fee providers, events, and nodes. You can also read about the security on here, network consensus, trust model, data integrity, crypto economic security, etc. Then we have an available feeds section that goes over price feeds, sport feeds, weather feeds, NFT feeds, blockchain feeds, and flight feeds. So check out all that out, docs.goracle.io. And you can find this token newly listed as of today on Mexc Global. So if you don't have an Mexc Global account, check out the referral codes in the description box. There's a link to Mexc down there. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this token? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.